Hello everyone. If your Zmodo camera is not connecting to Wi-Fi, don't worry, this is a common issue, and in this video I will show you the correct way to fix it step by step. So in the very first step, we will start by resetting the camera completely. So in order to reset it, you just have to simply locate the reset button on the Zmodo camera. When you are able to find it, you just have to do nothing but to just press and hold it for at least 10 to 15 seconds until the indicator light starts blinking. After doing this, simply open your Zmodo application, tap on the plus icon in order to add the device. Afterwards, you can begin the setup process again. Follow the on-screen steps and enter your Wi-Fi details carefully. This particular step alone is going to fix any of the failed or stuck connection attempts. Now, even after doing this, the issue still persists. We can just simply try the second fix, which is the network setup. So Zmodo cameras require the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. So if your router combines 2.4 GHz and the 5 GHz, you need to simply separate them, and then you need to connect your phone to the same 2.4 GHz network before starting the setup. Also make sure that your Wi-Fi name is visible and it is not hidden. This particular step ensures the camera can detect and connect properly. Now, even after doing this, the issue still persists. You can just simply adjust the environment. For that, you just have to basically move the camera closer to the router during the setup. Avoid placing it behind any thick walls, metal objects, or near other wireless devices. You can disconnect any unnecessary devices from your Wi-Fi in order to reduce the congestion. After the setup is completed, you can place the camera back in its original location. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.